How to add link to Snapchat story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can add a link to your Snapchat story. So without further ado, let's start by opening the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you have opened the app, simply click the photo you want to make a story for. And once you have taken the snap, simply tap on the text icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after that, simply paste the link that you have copied onto your story. And once you're done pasting your story, you can simply tap on story button shown in the bottom center of the screen. And that's it. Now you have successfully added a link to your Snapchat story and shared it to your viewers. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.